So hey guys, my name is Aryash Giri and today we will be unboxing the Square 1, the Skewb and the Megaminx. So these are the puzzles basically which I don't practice much. So let's start with the Square 1. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so they have given how to solve a Square 1. I may need this because I don't know how to solve a Square 1. Okay, so the Square 1 just looks like a 3 by 3, but it's actually it shape shifts, so basically like this. And I'm not so much experienced in how good is a Square 1 because this is my first. But the steps to solve this cube is like you get it in a cube shape first and then you solve all the colors. So it's just like a mirror cube, except instead of depth you go for the colors. So how do we solve it? Oh my god, okay, I don't know. I'll study that. Like, this is so confusing. But I'll try to solve it without a tutorial first. So this is done. Now comes this cube. Okay, so let's start. Okay, I do know how to solve a cube. Oh my god, this come out. Yeah. So this cube also looks like a 3 by 3, but it's kind of weird. But it's really easy. I think the world record for cube is like a second or so. And I tried my friend's cube. I got like my fastest was on that was 39 seconds. So yeah, of course I have to improve. And this feels like it's magnetic cube. Yeah, it is magnetic, and that's good. And you can hear the magnets and I can feel them also because they're quite strong in this. And yeah, so this cube is pretty good. It's magnetic, and I will definitely recommend if you're interested in Skewb or Square 1. I don't think so. This is really nice. Like, the top layers are kind of jamming, just like the normal Rubik's cube over here, which takes so much hard work to just push one layer. But it's not that, but the Square 1 is not that bad. It's just that or maybe the Square 1s are like this. As I told, I don't know how to do a Square 1. Now comes the Megaminx. Okay, I have been waiting for this one because my timing on this has reduced lately. It has from sub 2 it has gone to sub 4 minutes, and that's really bad. So, and plus I ordered this because my old one, the sticker pieces are missing, so that's really confusing. So let's start. Okay, I do know how to solve a Megaminx. Okay, this is Matt's walk, pretty famous. Yeah, so this Megaminx has ridges like lot of the other Megaminxes, and of course mine doesn't. Mine has like, I don't know what those are. Definitely not ridges, but I think ridges are provided to give like, so it doesn't slip out of your hand or something like that. Okay, let's do some. Okay, now I'm thinking that my old cube was better than this. Yeah, definitely. Okay, so the problem in this Megaminx is that it's taking too much effort to turn until I keep it on the ground like this, and I cannot exactly go really fast, as you can see. But in this Megaminx, So I think in speed I won't give this of like really good or something, but smoothness, yeah, it's definitely smoother than this one. So there are many other good mega mixes if you're looking, like the GAN, but they are too pricey. So if you're a beginner and you don't want to turn too fast and you're just learning how to solve a mega mix, I think you can buy this. So thank you for watching the video, guys, and please subscribe the channel and like this video and share it, do whatever you want. Thank you. Okay, so as you guys can guess, I'm trying to solve this using the beginner's method, of course, because I don't practice cube that much. And man, it's so like I'm just so used to a 3 by 3.